In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is go into Devices Settings and hit Wallpapers and Style right away. Then select Font and tap on one of those font styles. You can check out Preview at the top. In those two, One Sans and OnePlus Sans, you can also adjust the weight of your font thanks to this slider. Wherever you decided, after picking a perfect one, hit Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!